Probably you might remember this model. It's from one of our subscribers, and I found a replacement shell. It's not in a good shape, but at least it's better than nothing. And let's go ahead and remove and replace the broken top. And this wheel comes off. We need to replace this one too. So let's go ahead and begin. Look at this. See that right there? That's the only piece holding it. Now look at this part right here. It's falling apart. Okay, we are done with that part. Now let's remove this one and the other one. And this process is a little bit easy. It's not really complicated because it's just to replace the parts, the broken part. Okay. All right. Now let's continue with, see how it looks. Wow. The good thing is that the model, it's working and nothing needs to be done, only to replace the shell, the top of this model. Okay, see, it's just one piece. Okay, so first the little weights, these little weights right here, and then don't forget to pass the motor through the foot plate like this. There you go. One screw here, one screw over here. So now part of the chassis or the foot plate, we just put it in place, and the screw right over here, very gentle, because this old engine might broke very easily. There. So for those new subscribers, the next I do is I put these little weights in front like this. And now before we continue, I gotta replace this broken, see this broken wheel? Actually, where is it? Right here. Yes, see, we cannot glue it. I mean, I have a replacement. If you can, you can glue it with super glue, but I will use a replacement right here, so we will not be worried about this being broken again. So this, I think we can use a strong scissor or whatever you call it. I'm gonna use this metal scissor. This is used to cut some metal things. Okay, and now we put the new replacement right here. There it is. Now the tire that the one came with the model, still good treads, good rubber tire. Okay, now I need to change this one. So if you are new to the channel, I use this fork and slide it like this to get this out. See how easy it is? Some are not really easy, but this one came off really easy, and with the thumbs we just press it in place. Good. Okay, now let's continue assemble the model. Now let's put the small wheels like this, simple as that, and here's the one in the middle. And I think we are almost done replacing the parts for this module. Now I gotta put the way it comes. I remember this big head screw was in the middle, so like this, very easy. Now the back does have two small skinny screws. Where's my screwdriver? Right here. Okay. Gentle, because this model might break very easily. It's too old. And one last screw. So there is no way to fix the old model, the broken one, and there is no way to restore it. That part definitely can't be saved because it's too fragile and old. Okay, and now it looks like we are done. Let's make a little test. Where's the battery cover? Right here. Okay. This did not require any other than just replace the tap. The motor was working fine. Now I'm gonna do a little bit of lining, and as you can see, this window is broken a little bit. The frame, I can't do anything about it. The most important thing was to get this shell. Now I'm gonna do the lining. So for the lining, I use oil-based markers. I do not say any specific brands because my videos, as there are some people around the world, for example in Australia there is another brand. It's not the one we find here in the US. In Latin America there's another brand, and this video, don't take me wrong, but it's intended for all the people, not only for US. And you gotta take your time, very gentle, to redo the lining. So now I gotta do the yellow window frame. I think it's pretty much the same color. Still gotta do it, a little touch up. So I tried to paint a little bit yellow right here, the window. Try to make it from the far distance. You cannot notice maybe, but it comes out really good. And the good thing is that the paint right here, it's the original paint, and it's really good. So our friend here, let me see, let me read. Here is the note. Other shell needs to be fixed, replaced, left drive wheel, it's already done, running board stripe need to be repainted. So I think we are done. You did a good job with the running board. Everything else, it looks fantastic. Here are the parts that my friend asked me to send it back, so you definitely will. All right, that's all.